which led to my condition now. You will be very surprised sa mga doktor po dyan. For those doctors and health workers watching, my diagnosis right now is neutropenic sepsis. So, ano po, what I should do as cancer patient, I was given this regimen, doxorubicin, but my hair, it fell a lot. But they say all this hair will fall off. So look at it while I still have hair. I also took cisplatin, the IV. That's why everything I eat is metallic. I have sores because chemotherapy, they say, is a poison. It kills the cancer cells, but it also will